Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to talk a little Charlotte Tilbury makeup. She just released 4 new eyeshadow quads and some new eyeliners. I picked up one of the eyeshadow palettes and one of the eyeliners. So basically what they are is each quad and designated eyeliner is supposed to enhance your natural eye color, which I love because Charlotte Tilbury, one, is one of my favorite makeup brands. I pretty much buy everything she releases. There's definitely some hits and misses in her line, but for the most part, I love pretty much almost every product she comes out with. So I was excited about these. I love when she comes out with products that really do enhance your natural eye color. She came out with products like that before. It was like an eyeshadow pencil, and she had one for like every eye color, and I loved it. I actually lost mine, and I actually was thinking about this the other day. I was trying to find it and I couldn't find it. It's like one of my favorite eyeshadow pencils, but she came out with these quads now that kind of do the same thing. They are each made for a specific eye color. So the color that I picked up was Copper Charge, and this one is made for enhancing blue eyes, which I have blue eyes. So this is the quad right here, and all the tones really complement blue eyes. So there's one for green eyes, there's one for brown eyes, and there's one for hazel eyes. So I got the eyeshadow quad, and then I also picked up the eyeliner. So this is the Eye Color Magic Liner Duo, and again, this is in Copper Charge. It's a dual-ended eyeliner. One is a matte side, and then one has like little shimmers to it as well. So I kind of just want to do my eye makeup with you guys today, play with this new quad, test it out, see how it works on my eyes, see if it really enhances my blue eyes. I was actually watching the Charlotte Tilbury tutorial on her Instagram using this quad, and of course they just make it look so insanely easy and beautiful, and all of her tutorials are on these like gorgeous 20-year-old like flawless girls, and just, you know, it makes the makeup just sell itself. So let's test it out today on me. I am not 20 years old, and I am not the best at eyeshadow application. We all know what we're good at and not so good at, and I know I am not the best eyeshadow blender out there. So I want to see if we can create an easy, beautiful look with these quads as well, maybe something similar to the tutorial that Charlotte did. I am very excited about these. I think the colors are beautiful, and like I said, I love her eyeshadows. They are an amazing quality eyeshadow, some of my favorites. I have no eye makeup on right now. I do have the rest of my face done, so I will list all the products that I have on down below in the description box in case you want to know. But I'm ready to dive into these eyeshadows, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. This is gonna even out my skin tone, take away any little redness or discoloration on the eyelids, and then it just makes for the perfect base for your eyeshadows. So here is the quad. This is again in Copper Charge, and the colors are beautiful. A lot of times when you have blue eyes, it's these really pretty like bronzes and copper colors that really make your blue eyes stand out. Now I'm gonna take this color down here in the corner first. It's a pretty kind of champagne color. Now this does have some shimmer in it. I'm gonna apply this first all over the lid. Did I say shimmer? I actually mean like a sheen. This is not a shimmer eyeshadow. This is a sheen. It is a gorgeous, like, it is like a champagne kind of light gold color. Super, super pretty though. And then Charlotte Tilbury in that tutorial takes this color right here. This is that really pretty copper. Now this does have a sheen to it as well. She takes this and she puts this in the crease, which I normally don't apply any sheen shades to the crease area. But her sheens are very smooth, very smooth. They're not chunky, so you can kind of get away with it a little bit more. That is really, really pretty. Definitely really smooth on the eye as always. Her eyeshadows are always really easy to work with. They blend very easily. When I'm looking at this eyeshadow up close, it really is gorgeous. It is such a pretty copper color. The tone is beautiful, and I was kind of worried about applying that to my crease, but it's so smooth and just the tiniest amount of sheen, which actually looks really, really pretty in the crease. I was a little worried about that, but it looks beautiful. So then I'm gonna take this matte shade right here. This is the only matte shade in the quad. I'm gonna take this, and again, this is kind of like a coppery, kind of reddish brown. I'm gonna get some of this onto my little pencil brush, and I'm gonna take the shade and just apply it just to the outer V portion. We're gonna deepen it up. That is pretty. Oh, there's the eye look so far. I am so in love with these shades. Oh my gosh, they are so gorgeous on my eyes. I cannot wait to see the final look of everything put together here. These are really pretty and I'm impressed so far. So let's grab the eyeliner. I'm gonna take the matte shade first. So this is kind of like a rusty kind of brown color, like a coppery brown again. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just use it just like I do with every other eyeliner. I'm gonna line my eye and then I'm gonna take my brush and kind of smudge it out. The eyeliner is really smooth though. That goes on really flawlessly. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier. This is the smoky liner brush. I love this brush. It smudges out eyeliner so perfect. And I'm just gonna take it and go over that liner that I applied. And this brush just really helps me in particular to kind of pull out a wing. I will take it and just smudge out a little bit of a wing here. It smudges the liner out perfectly, so it's easy to create just like a quick wing with that liner. I love this brush. All right, I'm gonna kind of drag out a little bit longer of a wing because in her tutorial, she gives the girl like this beautiful, perfect winged eyeliner. So I just kind of want to drag it out a little bit more, but you can see what it looks like. The eyeliner is smooth and goes with this whole look so perfectly. She did so well putting these colors together. I forgot an eyeshadow step here, you guys. We're gonna rewind a second. I need to put on this shade over here. This is her, I think she calls this like her pop shade. This is a little bit more of a, I don't wanna say glittery shade, but a little bit more sparkly shade. She takes this and it's always best used with a finger. She applies it and she kind of like swipes it over the entire lid. I am not gonna do that because I already applied my eyeliner and I just kind of forgot that step. So I'm gonna take this, and you can still do it with the brush too. I'm gonna apply this color right here, and I'm just gonna kind of pop this right on top. Just kind of like in the center of my eyelid, just to give it a little sparkle and glow right in the middle. And again, I do actually like using this type of shade with my finger best, but I kind of forgot. Oops, we'll make it work. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. So I just applied my mascara, so the upper eyes are done and you can see what they look like so far. I am obsessed with this quad. The colors, the way it looks, the way it blends, how easy it is. I love it. So I'm gonna take the other side of this dual eyeliner and I'm gonna take this side over here, which is more of like, I don't know, like a little bit of a sheeny shade. It's not matte. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna actually line underneath my eyes with this. We're gonna take this all underneath the lower lashes. And this is a really pretty, again, copper with a slight sheen to it. It looks beautiful with the whole look here. Then I'm gonna take this matte shade again. I'm gonna pick up some of that on my little pencil. This is like another pencil brush. And I'm gonna lightly just go underneath the eye with this shadow and just smudge it out. Kind of right into that eyeliner a little bit, kind of underneath it a little bit together, just blending that all in. I'm gonna finish off the eye look completely here with mascara on the bottom lashes. So mascara on the lower lashes, that is the final eye look. I hope you guys can really see how beautiful these shadows are. I am in love. All right, I must say, I feel like I did pretty good with this eyeshadow look and copying the Charlotte Tilbury tutorial. Honestly, I don't think it's me. I think it's because her eyeshadows blend just so well, and this quad is no different. They just blend and they're easy to work with, so you don't have to be a pro to really get a beautiful eye look. Case in point, the colors are so beautiful. I really hope it translates how beautiful this is on camera, because in person it is stunning. The colors are amazing. It really does enhance the blue color of my eyes. So I would definitely suggest this palette. I think it's really amazing quality. I think it's worth it. Again, there is a quad for green eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes, and hazel eyes. So we can all enhance our own natural eye color with one of her palettes. The quad is just amazing quality, just like her other eyeshadow quads, which are always some of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will list everything that I use. Like I said, everything that's on my face already, that will be all down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, testing some new Charlotte Tilbury makeup with me. This one is definitely a winner. I'm going to be pulling out this quad all the time. Don't forget to thumbs up. It lets me know what videos you want to see more of, what kind of videos you like. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you exit out of this video today. I love you all, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.